guys, this is Glimmer122 here, and I am going to be playing Skyblock today. Okay, so, I apologize that I am lagging. Let me turn down render distance. Let's go to 6. That's better. Okay, so, I am going to cut down this tree. Which is really smart, because I made a crafting table and then tried to make a generator. Cobblestone generator, which I have no idea how to do. So yeah. You can put cobblestone like somewhere. I have no idea where, but somewhere. Really, I have no idea where to put it. But I am going to create a... So that was not a good idea. So, prepared 16. Now I'm going to create a crafting table, which I am probably going to sit over here. I apologize for other noise in the background. So let's get going to create some sticks and oops. I'm going to make let's see. Hopefully I can get this cobblestone generator right. If I don't, then that's okay. Because I really have no idea how to do it. So let's see if I can get this right. So I am going back to my other plot / my other island is so I can go see how to do the other one. I am such a little cheater. My friend Master437 / Counting did that. So I'm going to be a little cheater and go back and learn how to do it. So well, technically it's his thing, but I am going to see. So I'm going to do my first skyblock, and yeah, slash is home. That's how you do it. 1, 2, cobblestone, duh. Okay. 1, 2. Okay, that's good. I am such a cheater. Okay, slash. I need some cobblestone. Like again, I apologize for the background noise because they're arguing about a movie. And yeah, this lobby is so laggy. Am I going to the store or what? No. No. What am I doing to go to the store? That's all I want. Oh yeah, I'm not even in the lobby yet. Duh. This guy blocked too. Okay, so yes. Okay. Let me remove all the stuff in here so I can potato. I love potatoes because potatoes are great. I'm destroying it with a mushroom. Well, okay, now I gotta set this back farther so I can create the little thing that I just cheated off of. I'm such a little cheater. I need the buckets. There we go. So the water goes. They run down, I suppose. Yeah. Oh. Let's see. Lock, unlock, rank. No. So it's the lava down at the bottom and the cobblestone and the lava. Okay. Oh my gosh, I am so happy I learned how to do this. Yeah, I'm a little cheater. Okay. See, I hate when it does this every single time. Like, the freak. Am I seriously stuck in wood? No. This is so dumb. Okay, I'm good. Yes. Da, 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 da. Build it. Are you serious? I want to do a skyblock. I'm only... Why am I coming here still? How am I supposed to? I had oh my gosh. Oh well, I'm just going to forget that for right now and try to make it a bit bigger. Which I'm awful at, so you have to like crouch down and get that. 2, 3, 4. Yes, I admit that looks awful, but it's okay because I'm just starting this one. I'm going to plant that tree again and plant the carrots so I can have. I need to make a hoe. And that sounded wrong. I'm sure it's the laughter. It's okay because it's just okay. I need to plant some stuff, so oh yeah. So I'm gonna plant this carrot. And then this. Oops. That one is not gonna go very well. Try it over here. Oops. Oh well. It can just sit like that. Okay, now I'm going to put down my melon seeds over here. And the little farm just started. I still don't know how to get to the thing and get the cobblestone. Play a special level. Oh, slash S. Seriously, that's my problem. It won't show me how to get to the store. Oh, now I will build. I'll add a couple of other things to this tripod, and then I'll figure out how to. Oh my gosh, I almost fell. That would have sucked. And cactus right there. The cactus you can use as like a trash can because if you throw anything at it, it will just disappear. See, like that. It's gone. That was a terrible idea. Well, that's the start of my little island. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and everything. And yeah, just watch it. Thanks. Bye.